everybody, it's Holly here from Hollkward Beauty on Instagram. If you guys haven't checked me out over there already, make sure to check me out. I post every single day about makeup, beauty, style, and make sure to like and subscribe to me here on YouTube. I post every week with new beauty videos for you guys. So today's video, I'm going to do a tutorial for you guys. My most recent video was a review on the new KKW Beauty Eye Contour and Glossy Lip Balm. And I told you I wanted to include a tutorial as well. That was swatching and reviewing, so this will be my tutorial today. I'll link my previous video for you guys here so that you can watch both and have an idea on what they're all about, what they look like, and just an idea of how to apply it. So I did my base makeup, just a natural makeup look, kind of I'm doing tonight. I'm going to go in, I think, with the light palette first. I kind of like to start off with that one. So I'm going to go in with this shade here and put this all over my lid and then start kind of edging out my crease a bit with that next color. And I have this brush from them, which I really love this brush actually. It's super soft and I really love both ends, especially this extra little end. So I'm going to go in with the fluffy end and take that lightest shade and just kind of go over my lid just to create kind of a nice blank neutral canvas. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with that second shade in light 2 and take this just specifically. I'm just going to use the same brush. You can use a different brush, but this is just nice and simple. And I'm just going to take this kind of through my crease and I do that windshield wiper motion to begin with. And then I would like to kind of softly blend that color into my lid to make sure there's no harsh lines. And I like to bring it inwards here and a little bit up into the brow. And then I like to take it out at a bit of an angle here to give that fox eye look and really kind of accentuate your eye contours. And then I sometimes like to do a little downward V here as well and just kind of connect to that up and out line. And then I'll do the same thing on the other eye. The basic contouring of my eye is done. You can leave it like this and add some mascara and go. But I'm just going to go in with the medium just to add a little extra as an option if you guys want to add a little more to it. So I'm going to go in with the medium palette and I'm going to go in with this darkest shade, medium 2, just because it's more of a cool tone kind of color, not warm. And I'm going to go in with the small end of this brush and I'm just going to drag this kind of along my lash line, kind of close to it, just to add a little bit of depth and definition. And then I'm going to take that line and extend it out a little bit. And it's just so quick and easy to do, but it just adds just an extra little something to your eyes if you're on the go and just kind of want to look natural. And just how gorgeous and easy that is to add to your look. The shadowing and eye contour is done. I'm going to go in and add a little bit of mascara and then finish up with the Glossy Lip Balm. So I always curl my lashes. And this is the Shiseido Lash Color, my favorite. I'm going to use the KKW Beauty Mascara as well because I really love it. It's very dark and defines your lashes so beautifully. And it's super, I think it's like the color too, it's super dark and super black, so it just really adds a lot. When I do natural kind of makeup look, or basically all my makeup looks, if I'm not wearing lashes, I'm just using my natural lashes, I like to kind of pull them at a bit of an up and out angle when I do mascara. So that's just a little tip. And then my lashes are done, and now I'm just going to finish up with the lip and then be done. So I'm going to add a little bit of a lip liner. I'm going to use the Mauve 2 lip liner from KKW Beauty because I love to put a bit of a lip liner on when I wear just a plain gloss, just to add a little definition to the lip so it doesn't look too washed out. So very subtle, just a natural kind of lip color. And I'll just soften the lines a little bit. And then I'll go in with this Glossy lip balm that they just launched. It's a gorgeous lip balm. It's clear, it has a very light scent to it, and it's just really easy to wear and add to your lips on the go. This is my quick little tutorial on the eye contour and glossy lip balm. Just a really easy, natural, gorgeous way to wear them and apply them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure to check me out at hollkward beauty on Instagram, and make sure to like and subscribe to me on YouTube. I post every week with new videos for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.